chicken bag. My girl Tootsie told me about chicken bag in law school. Shout out